What's going on, guys? Colton at KWI. Mr. Gary here, we got a question. He says he's 16 years old, and over the summer he's going to be doing like some welding courses. And he's wondering any tips for vertical and certs, etc. Number one, that's pretty cool. You're getting into it at 16 years old. I wish I did. So as far as tips goes for vertical, it depends if you're doing open root or if you're doing like just backing strip 718 or if you're just pad welding. For open root, you're going to be using the 6010 rod. I'll make sure I got a 332 gap and a 332 land, and I'll make sure that as I'm going up there, I run about anywhere between 78 amps to 84 amps. As I'm going up there, I'm whipping in and out of my keyhole, keeping that rod tight in that bevel. I'm making sure that my keyhole is eating away at both sides of my plate evenly. You know, if your rod's kicked to one side or the other, it's going to start tying in unevenly and causing an undercut on your bead. As far as like the 718 goes, if you're just going to be pad welding, so that's pretty much you'll be running rod after rod after rod, kind of getting acclimated to how that rod runs. That's what we do here. You want to run about 88 to 92 amps. I would say that's a good amperage range. For 332 718, you want to keep that little 10-degree rod angle facing backwards as you're traveling up that piece of plate like this uphill. You're going to be doing just a slight side-to-side rod oscillation, and that's not necessarily, I'm not weaving it, but I'm just kind of letting my hand shake a little bit side to side, and that's going to help that puddle spread out for you. As far as certs goes, whatever they offer at that school, man, go after anything that they offer. That'd be my best advice.